Welcome to Tacoma's Hidden Treasure. We've started just by framing the walls, and we've put all of the joists in for the floor, all the studs for the walls, and now we're prepping for the steel moment frame. These moment frames provide shear strength for the building and keep it from racking, basically. What we're doing right now is prepping for the install of those frames. Today we've been drilling holes for our epoxy inspection. These are for base plates for our walls and the hold downs that go in them. They'll also be for the steel moment frames, keeping those anchored and fastened to the concrete below. It's important that we vacuum out all of the dust. By cleaning them out, we ensure that the building is rock solid. And all of us feel like this is a unique opportunity to get to work in a building that is historic and kind of a piece of Tacoma's history and its continued use, and I think that's something that we take a lot of pride in.